Upright formation. An upright is a formally maintained columnar plant. An upright is not a particular plant species, and in fact many plant species can be maintained as uprights. However, and like we talked about in the general pruning training, we strongly recommend avoiding shearing plants with large leaves because the damage to the leaves is unsightly, and we strongly recommend avoiding shearing plants with large internodes because shearing them typically leaves a stub. Like successful pruning, a successful upright begins with an appropriate landscape design, again based on a correct understanding of plant genetic behavior. At BYU, our uprights tend to be more successful when we select plants that have small leaves, have small internodes, and are sunlight tolerant. That said, appropriate species might include species like arborvitae, skyrocket juniper, Spartan juniper, green mountain boxwood, etc. At BYU, we maintain uprights by shearing them so that they appear bullet-shaped. The sides are sheared so that they are tight and vertical, and the top is sheared so that it is tight and appears rounded. Even so, nothing should be sheared back so tightly that stems are exposed. Often, multiple uprights are planted close together. When that's the case, we don't allow them to grow together like a hedge. This is the end of the upright formation segment of our training video. We realize that when it comes to uprights, there's a lot of room for personal preference, and consideration needs to be given to other factors such as the climate, etc. But we hope that this training will give you a better idea of how we prune plants with an upright formation at BYU.